Hi, my name is Luke Jenks. I'm the product manager for loudspeaker products at Meyer Sound. I'm here to talk to you about our new system, the 1100 LFC. It's a very interesting system. The first thing that seems to catch people's attention is that we're not calling it a subwoofer. It is a low frequency reproduction system. We just feel that the name subwoofer has a lot of connotations to it, as though the speaker has its own sort of tone, that it adds a certain tone that people may like or prefer for their given system. Meyer Sound's approach to these systems, and the reason that we're calling the 1100 LFC a system, is because we use design parameters, and low frequency design parameters are just as important as high frequencies. You may spend a lot of time placing your main arrays, and then subs just kind of get thrown in, and they're considered something that generates a tone, that adds some sort of warmth. Our approach with this system is to not add any warmth at all. It's merely a linear system that reproduces low frequencies at extremely high levels that stay very well controlled. In combination with our map program, which is a proven program that really gives people the ability to predict things accurately and then count on them when they use them live, that in combination with the system engineers that we have on staff, the straight engineers that we have on staff, can all work with people to let low frequencies become as important part of a design as anything else. And this can mean directional control, this can mean strictly power, it can mean keeping the stage quiet, it can mean all kinds of things. In order to do it, you have to have levels of headroom that allow you to be able to produce tremendous power without having any sort of breakup in your system. Traditionally, when doing cardioid arrays with subwoofers, they work very well up to a certain point. Once you start to drive them very hard, your best laid plans of, be it a pattern control or whatnot, will fall apart once the system begins to not act in a linear fashion. With the 1100 LFC, we have headroom and power available in low frequencies that we've never had before, never been able to produce before, that now allow us to do tremendously creative things. And really what we all want in the end is we want the audience to have an experience that they haven't been able to have before. It's something they can't possibly do at home. We all know that home systems have gotten a lot better, surround sound, Blu-ray players, all these sort of things. When people go to a live show, or when they go to an installation, they have to experience something they can't possibly do at home, and we feel the system we've made will allow that to happen. The reason that we're not making a bunch of specifications and saying it gets this loud or it's this SPL, these are systems. They're not individual elements. The SPL of a single element isn't something we're interested in. We are interested in predicting and designing systems for people and then giving them the SPL of the system. That's what we're really looking forward to doing.